TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, on this 4th of September, my pleasure to be here. Basil Chapman, host of the Tiger Technicians Hour and author of the Opening Call Daily Newsletter. We're looking at the Dow down 438. It was quite a bit low. It was actually down at the 27,664 levels, up 200 points from the low. What's really important is that you've got yourself a peak F top right here. This is now in a sell mode in the daily chart. That's the daily. The weekly chart, leg E, probably a peak E next week, and this is where we start to be a lot more careful. We've seen basically from the highs of just a few days ago to where we are right at this moment. Essentially, for many people, it feels like a crash because it feels like a crash, but we're only off the top. Look, the S&P made a new high. Dow made a new high yesterday and then turned down. S&P made a high 3 days ago at 35.88. Made a low this morning of 33.49. This is the S&P. Look, it just gave back weeks, a week and a half. No, almost 2 weeks of work. Oh, no, it's more. It's more. 3 weeks of trading in just 2 sessions. Leg E again in the Chapman Wave inside track. I'm going to be talking more about these different techniques that we've used, why we went short the QQQ. Look at the QQQ. Look at that smash to the downside. High of 303.33. September the 2nd, 3 days ago. Today's low was, can you believe it, 271.80. We're now getting counter trend rally. I'll show that in my show coming up in a few minutes. I'll show you in the short-term charts and the 2-minute and 10-minute charts. But in the meantime, this is a whopper of a pullback. However, I suspect we're going to get some kind of an H pattern, and we'll do some retesting. Will we go back and retest the low of today? I suspect we'll get close to that low within a couple of days, but I also suspect that the surprise rug pull is going to be met with some, buyers. It's just the buy every dip has been the motto and a successful motto for a long time. They're going to try it again. I think we've got a little more time to go for this consolidation. So that's the QQQs, but I think it's going to make an H pattern with an arch that fails and retest. IWM. Very sharp pullback, down $1.97 to 151. Gold, you'd expect gold to be soaring in this environment. It's down 11, but it's stuck in a range. It's not fading. And wait a minute, is that dollar, our long dollar since April of 2018, is the dollar up? Yes, it's up 42 cents. And the TLT, this is a very important show coming up in terms of levels that I want you to watch and levels that will teach us a lot about what's happening to the market and how you can